Yo, YouTube. Hey, we're back in the garage. We're working on the Scion again, 07. We did find the motor locally, right here on the stand, as you can see. So tonight we're gonna take off some parts, whatever we can transfer over from the old motor to the new one. Got a couple bolts we gotta get out that are kinda messed up. But we're gonna try to get this motor into this vehicle, which is luck.
Last week we left you guys, or last video we left you guys, we replaced the taillight and cleaned up the wheels and painted those on the Scion. So we spent a couple of weeks looking for an engine, mainly because after browsing Facebook, the local junkyards and eBay, we found that the average price of an engine is about $1,500. So we didn't really want to invest that much, but we're going to if we had to. But we had a little patience. Luckily, Justin, who browses Facebook more than Mark Zuckerberg, found us an engine in a running, driving car for $650. So they pulled the engine, took them a couple of days, and we went and picked it up and brought it in here. So that's what's on the stand here now. These guys are getting it up, getting it cleaned up, getting it ready, and we're going to see how far we can get to get it in the vehicle tonight. Hopefully we get it at least set in the vehicle. So that's going to be the plan for this video. We'll see how far it goes.
Back again. Check this out. You see this beautiful, beautiful rounded off bolt. One of two things is about to happen. We're about to get it out, or it's going to get stuck. Check it out.
There's a 1/2 inch and 3/8.
It's in the 1/2 inch drawer, of course.
This.
Get it.
Oh my God.
That unbelievable.
Sweet.
Look at that. No bolt. Booyah!
So here's the kit we used to pull that, extract that bolt. Amazon special. So this engine here was out of a 5-speed, so I had to swap the flywheels so that this will work on our automatic transmission.
Flywheel. That's a flex plate.
What are you working on?
I am working on a bar to lower the engine in because we had channel locks on it. That's a way to work. So
How'd this
check it
bar
out.
get damaged?
We probably used it as a pry bar or something to beat the crap out of something with.
Yeah, it was. It was the axle. Casey used it to beat the axle.
That was not me.
That was an extension.
That must have been somebody.
Get a close up. Terrible. Guess what?
Oh,
More
Casey.
broken bolts. Check it out. Will it come out?
Nope.
Plan B. Welder, bolt, nut. We'll weld it on, hit it one good time, and see if it'll come out. Let's melt it down. Plan C, back again. Heated it up, tool again. Let's see what it'll do. Booyah! That's what I'm talking about. All right, guys, check it out. Transmission's on. The motor, the used motor. Got everything cleared out of the engine bay. We're gonna try to drop it in without crunching a bunch of stuff. Get the rear motor mount on. We got it about halfway in. So here we go.
Logan, what do you think?
All right, we had you guys off while we were doing some stuff. Looks like, ooh, we got a lot done. All the motor mounts are in. AC compressor, water lines, automatic transmission lines, starter. We've got the power steering pump on in the back. You can't see it.
Terrible.
Yeah, intake manifold. We're almost there. What'd that take us? About 30 minutes?
About 30 minutes.
30 minutes, give or take.
Even if you time lapse it, 30 minutes.
Give or take a few hours. So that's going to be it for tonight. We'll catch you guys next week.
See ya.